Most people think saving 50% of your income is impossible. I'm about to prove them wrong. Listen, I've been saving over 50% of my income for years, and no, I'm not eating ramen for every meal or living like a monk. The secret, it's not about one massive sacrifice. It's about tiny shifts that create massive results. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna share the one single mindset trick that changed everything for a lot of people. Here's what blew my mind. For every $10 you make, challenge yourself to live on just $1. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly the point. You won't hit 90% every month, but here's the magic. When you aim ridiculously high, even your failures crush what most people call success. It's like aiming for the moon. Miss, well, you'll still land among the stars. Picture this, your main paycheck covers your life. Everything else, side money, bonuses, that random cash from selling old stuff, pretend it doesn't exist. Straight to savings, no questions asked. It's wild how much extra money we actually have when we stop treating everything as spending money. Imagine you're buying candy every month from the same store. One day, you realize another store sells the same candy for way fewer coins. Wouldn't you want to switch? Well, that's what's happening with your phone bill, internet, or insurance. You could be paying too much without even knowing it. Here's how to find the hidden money. First of all, check your contract first. If you signed a contract for your phone or internet, wait until it's almost over, like when you're on the last few months. That's the best time to make a move, because if you leave too early, they might charge you extra money, called a cancellation fee. Call other companies. Don't just call your company and ask for a better price. Call their competitors too. Here's an example for you. If you have AT&T for your phone, call Verizon, T-Mobile, or others. Ask them, what deal can you give me? Companies love to steal customers from each other, so they'll often offer you better deals to switch. Use the info to negotiate. When you know what the other companies are offering, call your company back. Say, hi, Company A offered me this cheaper deal. Can you match it or do better? Now they'll know you're serious and they'll try very hard to keep you, usually by lowering your price. Set a reminder. Every year, make a money hunt day. Check your contracts, call around, and make sure you're getting the best deals. If you don't track it, you can't control it. See where your money is actually going. Cancel unused subscriptions, avoid fees, and a quick look at your spending can reveal easy wins. And if you want a deeper dive, check out our previous video on how to save and get clear on your finances to uncover even more ways to save. Want to save hours and hundreds of dollars without even thinking about it? Start by cooking once and eating all week. A single Sunday afternoon of batch cooking means no last-minute takeout and no wasted groceries. But here's the trick. Smart meal prep starts at the store. What most people don't realize is that the same groceries can cost 30 to 50% more just depending on where you shop. Same brands, same products, totally different prices. Choosing the right store can double your savings before you even start cooking. And here's another thing. Never shop hungry. Walk into the store on an empty stomach and you'll come out with $200 worth of snacks and almost no real meals. Planning ahead and eating first helps you stick to your list and your budget. When it comes to brands, don't be fooled by fancy labels. Generic brands often come from the exact same factories as the name brands, just a different logo on the box, half the price, same quality, same taste. So batch cook, shop smart, and skip the brand loyalty. It's a simple formula that can transform your food budget without feeling like a sacrifice. Want something? Wait 7 days. Most needs are just wants wearing disguises, and they fade fast when you give them time. It's like a cooling off period for your wallet. And honestly, most stuff you thought you needed will feel silly a week later. Now I'm about to tell you the housing secret that could cut your biggest expense in half. Consider downsizing. Smaller space equals smaller utility bills, less maintenance, fewer things to fill it with. Jim Carrey once said it best: if you're not willing to scale back your lifestyle for a year to live the life you really want forever, maybe you're too worried about what others think. Let that sink in for a second. Or get creative. Live in one unit of a duplex, rent out the other. Your housing costs just became someone else's problem. Instead of 12 monthly payments, make 26 bi-weekly payments. You'll pay off your mortgage years earlier and save tens of thousands in interest. It's literally like finding a cheat code for home ownership. Cheap stuff breaks, good stuff lasts. Sometimes paying more up front saves you money forever. A $200 pair of boots lasting 10 years beats 5 $50 pairs falling apart every 2 years. The math just maths. Now I'm sharing the automation trick that makes saving effortless. If saving money requires willpower every month, you're setting yourself up to fail. Set up automatic transfers to savings. Pay yourself first before you even see the money. Make saving the default, not the exception. Instead of meeting friends at restaurants where you'll be dropping $50 per person, host at home. Make it fun. Baked potato bar, homemade pizza night, Taco Tuesday, Fajita Friday. Better food, better conversation, better prices, and everyone wins. Need to fix something? There's probably a free tutorial online. I've changed car oil, patched walls, fixed leaky faucets, all thanks to free videos online. You'll save hundreds on labor costs and actually learn useful life skills. Good coffee beans plus simple brewing method equals cafe quality coffee at home for pennies per cup. Spending $5 daily on coffee, that's $1,825 yearly. Make it at home. Spend maybe $200 for the whole year. The math speaks for itself. And here's the mindset shift that ties everything together. None of this is about cutting joy from your life. It's about being intentional with your money so you can have real freedom later. Your future self is watching right now. The choices you make today determine the life you'll have and live tomorrow. Pick one tip that resonates with you. Start there. Small changes compound into life-changing results. And if you want an extra $3 right now, check out the link in the description down below. It's waiting for you with pawns.app. Easy money to start your savings journey today. Drop a comment down below and tell me which tip you're trying first, and if this shifted how you see money. Smash that like button and subscribe because your financial transformation is just getting started.